Welcome to day 2 or probably session number 2 of letter writing. In the previous session, I discussed about an introduction. I gave the complete overview that how to form the answer when you are attempting. Now students, I think you have got maximum points. You have got maximum ideas. Today we'll be doing in detail. Today's session will be a bit lengthier. I'll be explaining every question, every point that I have included, why I have included, and how to keep a check on what questions you are answering, whether you have covered all the aspects or not. So therefore, be attentive in today's session. You will get more confidence today after going through the video. So first of all, a question is assigned to you in your final IELTS writing as well. The question says, that is for today, you stayed at a hotel recently and forgot your clothes there. Write a letter to the hotel manager and say, when and where did you stay? Describe your clothes. What would you like the manager to do about it? Now read the question very carefully. And students, while you are practicing with me, first of all, take out your pens and papers, note down the points. Noting down the points means what questions you need to answer while you are framing the answer to a letter. First of all, you stayed at a hotel. What you need to tell? You need to tell the details, that what was your room, when did you stay. So what are the points to cover? When did you stay and what was the room number? Afterwards, it is given to you, you forgot your clothes there. What will be third point? Forgot your clothes. Then write a letter to the hotel manager. Point number 4 will be letter to hotel manager. In this letter, you need to say when and where did you stay. We have already covered it. Describe your clothes. Point number 5, clothes description. Under clothes description, make some sub points. Color of the clothes, brand of the clothes, where you have kept it, why you forgot it. All the details you need to tell under point number 5. Afterwards, what would you like the manager to do? What you want the manager to do? This will be point number 6, means to help you in finding the clothes. Now I am going to guide you all the points under point number 6, that what you want the manager to do. First of all, help you to find, inform you after the clothes are found. Such things we need to answer. So this way, when you form the points or a roadmap to your answer, you can simply look at those points and frame your answer. This is the best practice that will surely enhance your scores in your IELTS writing part 1. What is the beginning of a letter? That is always a salutation. In this, I have written Dear Sir / Madam. Why so? Because I am writing a formal letter to hotel manager. Afterwards, what was your point? After salutation, what you need to tell? You need to tell about yourself, when did you stay, what was the room number, what was the date. So this passage will have all the details, and students kindly tick the points that we are covering along with. First of all, I am going to read it for you. My name is Evelyn. I stayed at your hotel last week from the 10th till the 12th of August. And my room number was 259, located on the 6th floor. I am writing to seek your help with finding my belongings, which I accidentally left behind during my stay at the Wildflower Hotel. First of all, the points that you have written, you just tick those points. You have told about yourself, you have told the date, you have told the location, you have told the room number, and also explained in the last line that why you are writing this letter. It is very important. In the very introduction, if you clearly state why are you writing the letter, it will become very easy for the reader, and it is a logical way to guide your reader what is coming next. I have clearly mentioned, first of all, name, Evelyn, dates, 10th till 12th of August, room number 259, located on 6th floor. Why I am writing this letter? That is to seek your help with finding my belongings, which I accidentally left behind during my stay at Wildflower Hotel. Now students, I am again repeating. The name, the date, name of the hotel, all these things are imaginary. Whatever you want to write, you can simply write. Now what was our next point? Now you need to explain what actually happened, right? Description about the clothes, what happened, all these things we are going to describe one by one. First of all, let us read passage number 2. I forgot one bag inside the room in the wardrobe by the front door. It's a black American Tourister medium-sized bag, and inside you will find, among other things, a brand new Nike white t-shirt with a tag and one pair of blue jeans. These clothes haven't been worn as I just bought them during my stay at the mall located directly behind the hotel. So, this is again my imagination. What I have said is, I forgot one bag inside the room. Where is the bag? That is in the wardrobe by the front door. Now, students, you are talking about a bag. What you need to describe the bag's brand, that is American Tourister medium size bag. Any name that you want to write, you can simply write here. What is inside the bag? You need to just explain all the things so that it is a concrete answer that this bag is yours. So inside the bag, I have mentioned there is a Nike white t-shirt. It has a tag as well as one pair of blue jeans. These clothes haven't been worn because I bought it from the mall located directly behind the hotel. So these are the description about where is the bag, what is the bag, what are the things inside it. Now let's talk about what you want the manager to do. I would be thankful for your assistance with finding my bag. If possible, kindly ship it to my home address mentioned at the time of check-in. I'll transfer the fee for the shipment in the hotel's bank account as soon as I receive any update. So what you want the manager to do? Covered this question also. What you are saying the manager to assist with finding your bag. And then, if possible, he should ship it to your home address. And where is the home address? Mentioned at the time of check-in. It is very obvious thing when a person checks in into a hotel, then there is mentioned his complete details, his address. Moreover, you are saying that once you get any update, you will transfer the fee for the shipment. Right? So this is the solution you are giving. Apart from this, you can say that this is the assistance you are seeking from the manager. And then the closing line, thank you in advance for your help and I look forward to hearing from you soon. This is the closing line, and lastly will be yours faithfully, Aveline. Means the name that you have mentioned in the beginning, you need to write the same name. Now students, cross-check. Have we covered all the aspects? I made you to note down the points. Tick them one by one. I think all the points we have covered. We have explained where did you stay, where was the room, what you forgot, inside the bag, what was there, description of the bag, description of clothes, what you want the manager to do, and one additional line, that is if a person is sending you your belongings, it is your duty to pay the fee for shipment. So therefore I have also mentioned it. Then comes the closing line. This way you need to form the answer to the letter. In case you want to re-listen to any point, any passage, kindly rewind the video. Once you are completely done, you have completely understood what I have included and why I have included, then only move to the next session. I'll see you with letter number 3 in the next part.